Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How are you all?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Abhay.
I'm good.
Good. Enjoyed your holidays?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Missed your classes?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Jigyasa. Abhay, the other day I was going through the, photo that Utkarsh has put on his PC, whatever he is using. He was resembling you a lot.
Ma'am means?
Good
Like,
morning, ma'am.
He was, good morning, Kani. He was exactly looking like you. There was no difference whether it is Utkarsh or Abhay. I got confused.
maybe.
No, not maybe. Exactly. Exactly.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Vibhanshu.
Good morning, ma'am.
गुड मॉर्निंग हिमांशु. बेटा हिमांशु, आपके डाउट को हम थोड़ा रुक के क्लियर कर देंगे, ठीक है बच्चे? हमने
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
गुड मॉर्निंग. रिकॉर्डिंग इज गोइंग ऑन? यस, इट इज गोइंग ऑन.
Yes,
हाँ, फाइन 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 फाइन.
and today
Ma'am,
history.
what we will do today?
हाँ, this is
And
what I was about to tell you. This is history today, right?
Yes, ma'am.
We have completed 2 chapters and we are left with 2 chapters, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Second chapter is not complete.
Second is not
Yes, ma'am.
complete, Gargi.
Ma'am,
Only the
reading part
reading topic
is
is left.
complete.
Only the
Ma'am,
reading part
and
is.
question.
हाँ,
And question answers.
हाँ, okay. Okay, fine. So let us do one thing. You want me to go for the reading part?
No, ma'am, question answer.
Yes, ma'am.
बोरिंग हो जाएगा
Question
रीडिंग
answer.
करना आज सुबह सुबह. हम ऐसा करते हैं ना, आप लोगों के डाउट्स वगैरह देख लेते हैं. डाउट्स देख लें या आई हैव अ वर्कशीट.
We have like doubts.
हाँ, डू यू पीपल हैव
Ma'am,
डाउट्स?
Worksheet.
worksheet. Ma'am, worksheet.
वर्कशीट कर लें, वो ज्यादा
Worksheet.
बेटर रहेगा ना? हाँ,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
है
ma'am.
ना? हाँ, विल गो फॉर वर्कशीट, वो ज्यादा बेटर रहेगा मुझे लगता है. अच्छा,
Yes,
ये
ma'am.
बताइए, हम लोगों ने एक वर्कशीट करा था, आई थिंक फर्स्ट चैप्टर का करा था ना? Was
Yes,
that
ma'am.
complete?
20
Was
questions.
only
Ma'am,
20
and we
questions?
have discussed in 14 questions.
चलो तो हम चलो उसको अभी हम नहीं करते हैं अभी. वो हमने डिस्कस भी तो कर ली थे सारे क्वेश्चंस 20 के 20.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
meeting end हो
Yes,
गई थी,
ma'am.
नहीं, 20 क्वेश्चंस पूरे हमने डिस्कस कर लिए थे बेटा.
Yes, ma'am. We have
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
डिस्कस
ma'am.
हो गए थे,
हमने
मीटिंग
post
एंड
भी
होने
करा
से
था.
पहले पहले हमने कर लिए थे. तो
Good
यू.
morning, ma'am.
गुड मॉर्निंग पावनी. गुड मॉर्निंग बच्चे. ओके, लेट मी शेयर इट. कहाँ था वो? जस्ट अ सेकेंड. हाँ, can you tell me the date on which I shared that with you all?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
that 20
29.
questions.
29.
28.
And 28 and 20.
Okay, okay. I think I got it. ठीक है. Now we have to do questions from 21 to 40, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Okay, fine. So I'm sharing the screen with you all. चलिए, गिव मी अ मिनट. Okay, can you see the screen, class?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay,
ma'am.
wait a second. I need to share the screen. I'll go here and then I'll share. Now can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, these are another 20 questions, right?
Okay, ma'am.
How much time you will take? ऐसा करते हैं, फर्स्ट 10 कर लेते हैं, फिर दूसरे 10 कर लेंगे, इससे डिस्कस भी हो जाएगा, आप लोग का हो भी जाएगा, राइट?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
चलिए, ठीक है, स्टार्ट. चलिए, let me take the attendance and then we'll start discussing. Okay, I think how much time is sufficient for you people to do this worksheet? This is 10th serial. Where is my sheet? Fine. Abhay is there in the class?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Aiza?
Present, ma'am.
Then Akansha?
Present, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Everybody at home, fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we are doing worksheet. So you also do it, chapter 1 history, okay? Ananya Singh? Apurva? Apurva, are you there, beta? चलिए, आराध्य कात्यायन? Aradhya is there? No, we don't have Aradhya. Ashray Sethi not there. Daksh Kumar?
Yes, ma'am.
Aradhya is there?
Ma'am, Aradhya.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Daksh?
Present, ma'am.
Then Ashray Sethi not there. Gargi? Harsh Tomar?
Present, ma'am.
Okay, Harsh Tomar we have. Himanshu Singh? बेटा ये हर्ष सिंह गंगवार कौन है? बेटा who is this Harsh Singh Gangwar in the class? हर्ष
Ma'am,
तोमर,
don't know.
चलिए जय गुप्ता,
Present, ma'am.
हाउ आर यू?
I'm fine.
ओके, जिज्ञासा,
Present, ma'am.
झार, जुझार,
Present, ma'am.
कनिका,
Present, ma'am.
ओके
Present, ma'am.
ओके, मनीष सिंह, not there. Then Manthan Patel, not there. Mohit Gangwar,
Present, ma'am.
Mohit Kumar,
Present, ma'am.
Himanshu, are you there in the class? Himanshu,
No, ma'am. Ma'am, he is out of the meeting.
he's not.
Network issue. Ma'am, he has message.
He left the meeting.
Ma'am, due to network issue. Ma'am, now he is in meeting. He
He
is
is
late.
there. He is there in the class.
No, ma'am.
चलो अभी देखते हैं, कोई चेक करते हैं. नैना शर्मा, नमन गंगवार, पावनी,
Present, ma'am.
प्रांजल,
Present, ma'am.
पुनीत,
Present, ma'am.
हिमांशु आप आ गए हैं क्लास में? हिमांशु, Himanshu, are you there? Puneet,
Present, ma'am.
Raghav Raj, Samarth is not there. Shivansh, okay. Shaurya is also not there. Siddhant Yadav, Srishti Gautam. Srishti, are you there?
Present, ma'am.
Stuti,
Present, ma'am.
okay. Then Tina, do we have Tina in the class? No. Ujjwal Singh, no. Viresh,
Present, ma'am.
okay. Vibhanshu Sahi,
Present, ma'am.
Yash Mehta,
Present, ma'am.
there is a new admission in the class, Rudransh Yadav. Is he there in the class? Hmm?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Abhi somebody was there in the meeting with the name of Harsh Singh Tomar, something like that. I removed that child immediately. It was showing Himanshu Singh. And when I checked, Himanshu was there in the meeting, but the moment I asked, he was. Not there. What do they do? I don't understand.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Gargi?
Mark my attendance.
Yes, beta. Done?
Ma'am, I'm asking her to mark my attendance.
Ah, I have marked you present. Beta, first 10 questions done?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, only 3 are left.
Okay, okay, okay.
Ma'am, do you also need to explain in question 23?
What do we have to explain what?
Ma'am, do you also need to explain in question 23?
There are no explanation questions, I think.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm. Shaurya, good morning. Shaurya.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
What does the them stand for in question 22?
Question number?
26.
Question number 20?
6.
26. Was there a collective identity among them? It is about that, no? Habsburg Empire.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm done.
Done? Done? Shall we discuss?
Yes,
Others?
ma'am.
Ma'am, just 2 questions.
Okay,
Ma'am,
okay.
just 3 questions left.
Fine, fine, fine.
Ma'am, done.
Chalo. What about others, Pavni and all?
Ma'am, just a minute doing.
Okay, chalo. Question number 1. What reasons did peasants, artisans, businessmen give for new founded freedom? Yes, Naina?
Ma'am, they enjoyed the freedom.
Hmm?
I'm done.
Yes. Okay, first one, Naina.
Yes, ma'am.
What were the reasons for this new founded freedom?
Ma'am, they found the newfound freedom very nice as the Napoleon simplified administrative divisions. He abolished the feudal system and freed peasants from serfdom and manorial dues.
Yes.
Ma'am, the restrictions were also removed, because of which they enjoyed the newfound freedom.
Anji. See, this answer is given on page number 7. The reasons for the newfound freedom by the peasants, artisans, businessmen were the uniform laws, standardized weights and measures, and a common national currency that facilitated movement and exchange of goods and capital from one region to another. I hope you have got these lines.
But it's
Yes, ma'am.
including peasants and artisans. Ma'am, this is for only businessmen.
So
Ma'am, for peasants, ma'am, referendum was also
the abolition of the serfdom and the dues, the manorial dues which were there.
Ma'am,
है ना, for
right
the
to
peasants,
We can say
Ma'am,
Napoleon
right
is
to
good.
property also.
or we can simply put that the administrative changes that were brought by Napoleon gave a new founded freedom to these people, right?
Ma'am, can we say standardized weights and measures help him?
Yes, you can say this. See, for the businessman, you can write the standardized weights and measures. For the artisan movement, easy movement. For the peasants, the abolition of the manorial dues that were there and the serfdom, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, right to
Now,
property was also there.
yes, then where were the French armies welcomed as harbinger?
Ma'am, in the areas, ma'am.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Puneet.
Ma'am, may I?
Puneet.
Ma'am, in the places such as Holland, Switzerland, and in the certain cities like Brussels, Mainz, Milan, and Warsaw.
The places like the Holland, Switzerland, Brussels, Mainz, Milan, and Warsaw. These were the places where the French armies were welcomed as harbingers of peace. Okay? Were there nation states in the mid-18th century?
No, ma'am, there were no
No, ma'am.
nation states
No,
in the
ma'am.
mid-19th century.
No,
There-
ma'am.
There were no nation states in the mid-18th centuries. Very good. Sorry. Which countries were divided into kingdoms, duchies, and cantons? Were they autonomous?
Ma'am, Germany,
And
Italy,
they
and
were autonomous,
Switzerland were
and
divided
Germany,
into
Italy, and
kingdoms,
Switzerland were
duchies,
divided into
and
kingdoms,
cantons.
duchies, and cantons.
Okay, Germany, Italy, and Switzerland were divided into kingdoms, duchies, and cantons. Very good.
And
Gargi,
ma'am, they had their autonomous territories.
they had their autonomous territories. Okay, very good. Gargi, next question. Eastern and Central Europe were under? They were under the autocratic monarchies. Very good. Next is, was there a
Can we
collective?
say cultivation by serfs?
Huh?
Eastern and Central Europe were under cultivation by serfs.
No, by the auto. See, it is written in the book, no? Were under autocratic monarchies. Was there a collective identity among them? Yes, Jigyasa?
No, ma'am.
There was no collective identity among them. Next. Give the areas which formed Habsburg Empire.
May I?
Yes.
May I?
Okay,
Ma'am,
wait.
may I?
Can we have Purva answering? Yes. Can we have Apurva? Acha, chale. Akansha, are you there? Stuti?
May I?
Chaliye, Puneet.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes. Puneet.
And Alpine regions were divided into Tyrol, Austria, and Sudetenland.
Okay, one by one. Then they were dash speaking. Kanika. Kanika.
Ma'am, they were German speaking.
Beta, those who have done, they can share the answers on the class groups, on the class group that we have, and others answer the
Okay,
questions.
ma'am.
ठीक है, चलिए Kanika, if you
Ma'am,
can,
they were German speaking.
they were German speaking. Next is Shaurya, are you there? Okay. Aradhya, are you there? Is Himanshu there in the class? No. Jujhar,
Yes, ma'am.
बताओ answer to this question. They were
Italian speaking.
हाँ.
Italian speaking provinces were Lombardy and Venetia.
Venetia. Okay,
Venetia.
very good. Next, Mohit Gangwar. In Hungary, they spoke dash, but they were aristocrats.
French.
They spoke
Polish.
in
French.
Hungary. In Hungary, which language they spoke?
Ma'am, Magyar.
Magyar.
Ma'am,
yes.
Magyar and dialects.
Very good.
Yeah.
Magyar. Apart from that, there also live dash and dash in north.
Bohemians and Slovaks.
Bohemians and
Slovaks.
But there were blanks.
रुको. Slovenes in Carniola, Croats to the south, and Romans to the east in Transylvania.
Can you tell this answer once again?
Which one?
Yes, ma'am.
apart from this.
Last one.
Yes, ma'am.
इसमें
Yes, ma'am.
इसमें 3 blanks नहीं होंगे, सिर्फ 2 ही blanks होंगे, ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Only 2 blanks are there.
Next, may I give?
Next, yes, tell.
Solovines and Bohemians and no, ma'am. Solovines in Carniola and Croats to the south.
ठीक है. And dash in east. Who were in east? Romans to the east in Transylvania. Very good. 28th. Pavni. Yes, tell beta. Aiza.
A common allegiance to the emperor.
Yes, Daksh, you can reconnect. Hanji. Pavni?
Ma'am, the common allegiance to the emperor bounded the Habsburg Empire.
Very good. The common allegiance to the emperor bounded the Habsburg Empire. Which was the dominant class in Europe? Wait. 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 Let me see.
Ma'am, may I?
Jay.
Landed aristocracy.
The landed aristocracy. Next question. Next is who were in majority?
Ma'am,
Yes, Mohit Kumar. Mohit Kumar. बेटा बताओ, who were in majority? बेटा जिज्ञासा,
may I tell?
चलो बताओ बेटा.
Yes.
बताओ.
Ma'am, peasants.
It was the peasants who were in majority. चलिए, can we discuss 31st question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, which class emerged due to industrialization?
Ma'am, middle class.
And middle class.
Yes, it was the commercial class. नहीं बोलेंगे? कि मिडिल क्लास बोलेंगे?
मैम मिडिल क्लास थी मैम.
वर्किंग क्लास एक ही बात है, ठीक है, एक ही बात है, एक ही बात है. Then before industrialization, which two classes were there?
Businessmen and industrialists.
I'm businessman and
Aristocracy and peasantry.
It was the
Aristocracy and peasantry.
I'm businessman
Yes,
and
ma'am. No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Pleasantry and aristocracy.
it was only the aristocracy and the peasantry that was there before the industrialization. Who adopted the idea of abolition of aristocratic privileges? Huh?
Ma'am, liberals.
Liberals.
Created middle classes.
Yes, it was the educated liberal middle classes that
What we
adopted
have,
the idea of abolition of
ma'am,
aristocratic.
ma'am, what do you have to write?
You have to write the educated liberal middle classes. Right? Then before industrialization, acha, ye ho gaya. What is liberalism? Gargi, what is liberalism?
May I?
Okay, Naina. Let Gargi tell. Naina, let Gargi tell. Yes, Gargi.
Liberalism stood for freedom of the individual and equality of all before the
Gargi, your voice is not clear at all.
liberalism stood for the freedom of individual and the equality of all before the
You are not audible. Naina, आप बताओ बेटा. Maybe she is right, but I am not able to hear her. Yes, Naina. Naina.
Ma'am, liberalism means that like politically and like politically equal individual rights and liberties.
लिबरलिज्म का सिंपल मीनिंग ये था, अगर आप इसको देखो पॉलिटिकली अगर आप
Ma'am, Adel.
यस यस राघव बताओ बेटा.
Ma'am, Abhay.
अच्छा सॉरी अभय, हाँ बताओ बेटा बताओ.
Ma'am, liberalism means, ma'am, freedom of a individual and equality before law.
हाँ, it means freedom and equality before